sparks and big sparks. For America. Oh.
All right. I'm going to eat some pie.
Oh yeah.
With your hands?
I brought forks and spoons. We don't have plates or anything. So
That's
we
all right.
have forks and spoons.
And we got vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
And
Where'd it
apple
go?
pie.
Is that it?
Apple pies.
of American is apple pie. Here you go.
Yeah.
For America.
For America.
Oh, you got all kinds of stuff in here. Yes, pop pop.
I love those.
Here. There you go. For America.
For America. Can you pop one between your fingers?
I've done a high five with someone. Like you put everything in, you go high five.
Nope, didn't work.
Hey,
Hey, no. Wait, is that what you said? Did you say hey and no? Or did you say something else?
No, no.
Oh, okay.
I said hey and no.
Hey, no.
For America.
Ah.
Okay, these are.
Mine popped.
What's wrong with these? They don't- Oh, there we go.
That's kind of lame. Dang it. I can't pop these between my fingers.
Yeah, these.
They're old. They're as old as America. Nope.
I've had one good one out of like 20.
Oh, that bag got in the ice cream.
Did not work. Are we just digging in? It's a free for all?
No.
It's like a melting pot, like America.
These are not good.
I want one.
Okay, go ahead.
That means everybody's got a double dip.
Yeah.
Hope we're okay with
Sorry.
that. That's right.
Oh, I didn't
Ooh,
do
that's a
anything.
big one.
I've already had mono, so I'm good.
I'm
Where's
getting
the lighter?
overstrapped. Is that all right?
Where's the lighter at?
Ah, I got it.
Yeah, you got yours your first try.